I'm Divyashri and my friend Ishwari studying in BCA 6th SEM from JTBCA College Gadag. We have developed a blood bank web application. The main mission of our project is to fulfill the needs of the Indian people for the safest, most reliable and most cost-effective blood services through voluntary donations. The blood bank empowers ordinary people to perform extraordinary acts of service. Our blood donors are ordinary people, high school students, factory and office workers, business executives, parents and grandparents, and people from every walk of life. But they share one thing, a generous spirit, a desire to give back to their community and help others. Blood donors play an integral role in the delivery of modern healthcare. Many life-saving medical treatments and procedures involve blood transfusion and would not be possible without a safe and reliable blood supply. Every 2 seconds, someone receives a unit of blood. The need is constant. It is our mission to meet that need. In our application, we have menus like Home, About, Gallery, Login, Sign Up and Contact Us. In About menu, it gives the information about blood bank web application. In Gallery menu, some of the blood donation camp images which were conducted in our campus. In Contact Us, for more information we can use Contact Us. Blood bank web application, there are 3 modules: Admin, Blood Donor module, Blood Requester module. First, we will discuss about Blood Donor module. First, you need to create an account in our web application. If you already have an account, you can directly log in. To create an account or to log in, click on Login or Sign Up menu. Next, the member login page will be displayed. If you already have an account, fill up the login information and then click on Login button. Otherwise, click on Create Your Account button. Now, we go to Create Your Account option. Now, we have to fill the sign up information. Information with name, email ID. Once you fill up the information and click on Submit button, you will receive a pop-up message as inserted successfully. Then click on OK. The account is created successfully. Now you can log in. After logging in, you are directed to the home page of Blood Bank application. Here, we have donor registration option. Click on View More. For donor registration, you need to fill the form. Again. 99. बदली नहीं पड़ेगी. First page check. First page check. Vidyaranyarao. Ranya. NY.
So after
filling up the form, click on the register now. After filling up the form, click on register now button. So register spelling. There are 3 stages of donor: new donor, active donor, not active donor. New donor, he is donating the blood for the first time. Active donor, he is ready to donate the blood. Not active donor, he has donated the blood recently and the 3 months period after donating the blood has not yet completed. Donor can change the status by donor status update. Now click on donor status update and fill the information with the email ID. The donor information is displayed. If he has donated previously, he can change here in last blood donated date. He can also change his status, donor status with non-active and or active. I am the new donor, so I am not changing anything. So this is about the donor module. Next module is blood requester module, which will be explained by my friend Ishwari.
I am Ishwari. Now I'll be explaining about the requester module. First, we need to create an account. We need to click on Need Blood option for requesting the blood donor. Click on View More. Now fill the information. After filling the information, click on Request Now. Once you click on the Request Now option, you'll get a pop-up message as inserted successfully. To search the blood donor, click on Service option. Now click on Search Blood option and then fill up the details for searching of blood donor for particular area. Select India and then select the state Karnataka. For the city Gadag. Now we are searching blood donor for the Gadag city area, and now click on Search Donor. Now the donors available in Gadag city are displayed. Based on their details given, you can contact them and request for blood. There are two statuses of blood requesters. One is request pending and the other one is request completed. Request pending is where the blood requester is waiting for the blood donor to donate the blood. Whereas request completed is nothing but the blood requester has got the blood from the donor. Now to change the request status, go to Services and click on Request Status Update. Request your mail ID. Now update your status information. When you get the blood, you can change the request pending to request completed and click on Update Now. Now the status is changed. Now lastly we'll discuss about the admin module. Admin module can be opened directly by entering URL admin.php. Now the admin login page will be opened. Fill the login information and click on Login here. Now you will receive the pop-up message as login successfully. Click on OK. Now admin page will be opened. It contains of menus like Inbox, Search Donor, Active Donor, Not Active Donor, Need Blood and Settings. Admin has the authority of adding, deleting, updating donors and receivers information and has the authority to add, delete and update the state, country, city. The Inbox option contains the messages sent by the users through Contact Us option. We can view the messages and also delete them. In Search Donor option, it will display all the donors who are registered in our blood bank application. Admin can view their details, edit if required, and delete the donor if necessary. Similarly for active donors, not active donors and need blood. Here the status is shown. You can view them. Go for settings. Here you can add your country, state, city and area. Now we are trying to add the city. Once you search the city will be added successfully. Now click on logout button. So this is all about Blood Bank web application. Thank you.